Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be doing another Dollar Tree DIY. What you'll need are 2 white pillars, some green moss, a glass container, preferably something round, some twine, a hot glue gun, and some glue sticks. And again, everything is from the Dollar Tree. So you're going to go ahead and start by adding some hot glue to the pillar. I would actually prefer some E6000 or a similar glue because I feel that would be stronger to hold together. But this is all I had at hand, so I went ahead with the hot glue gun. So then you're going to add your glass container to the top and just hold it for a few seconds to make sure that it sticks well. And then you're going to grab your moss and dump it in there, and then you just adjust as you please. And that is it, you guys. And again, everything from the Dollar Tree for $3 in total. Now if you wanted to add an extra touch, you can go ahead and glue this twine around the pillar, but I prefer to choose the thicker one, and again, from the Dollar Tree. So what I did is I added some hot glue at the beginning of the twine, and then I went ahead and I started gluing it around the pillar. And then you're just going to repeat the same steps, adding some hot glue gun and then gluing your glass on top. And there you go, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate all of the support that I've been receiving so far. I hope that you liked this video, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye!